How to receive call on two iPhone at the same time. So first of all, here is how to set it up. First requirement is both iPhones must be signed in to the same Apple ID. Both must be connected to Wi-Fi. Bluetooth must be enabled on both devices and iOS 8.1 or later is required. So if all of these requirements are fulfilled, then all you have to do is tap on the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see apps option available. Simply tap on the apps. Then inside the app, scroll down and look for the phone app and simply tap on the phone app. Inside phone app, scroll down and there you will get to see calls on other devices. Simply tap on it and turn on allow call on other devices. As you can see on my allow call, there is my MacBook Air option available. You will get to see your second iPhone under allow calls on. All you have to do is enable the switch. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.